Hi guys, it's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, for today's video, I have June's installment of what I bought this month. You guys know the drill. I've been doing this series on my channel for over a year. They're my favorite videos to film and you guys love them. So I will have all of these pieces that I'm featuring in this video linked in the description box if you guys want to check them out. Before we get into the video, I just want to thank Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. If you guys have been here for a while, you know I've been working with them forever. They're one of my favorite jewelry brands. I feel like out of all of my Ana Luisa hauls, this one is my favorite. Recently, they've came out with so many really cute collections for the summer, so I'm really excited to show you guys what I got. Picked up 3 pieces, and if you guys want to shop them, you can do that through the link in the description box, and you can use my 10% off discount code, which is TaylorK10. By the time this video goes up, their summer sale might be going on still, so make sure to check that out. But if not, my 10% off discount code always works. So of course, I'm wearing all 3 pieces right now. And as always, I've been wearing them non-stop since I got my package. I picked out 2 rings and a necklace stack. We'll start with the rings. Firstly is the Ray ring, and I think this is my absolute favorite ring in my whole collection, which says a lot because I'm super picky about my jewelry and I do have quite a large ring collection, but this is hands down my favorite. It is just so unique, and I've been wanting a ring like this for so long, and as soon as I saw it, I knew it is exactly what I wanted. I'm wearing it on my middle finger right now. It's this beautiful double band gold ring with this beautiful creamy white stone. It is absolutely stunning and also gives a summer vibe personally. So I got this in a size 6. Just for reference, I'm a 3, 5, 6, 7, and because it's so neutral, you can pair it with any of your other gold jewelry. Also, if you guys aren't into gold, Ana Luisa has a ton of silver options if that's more your vibe. The next ring that I got is called the Eve ring, and I have it on my pointer finger on my other hand. It is this almost dome-shaped gold ring that has a bedazzle detail facing upwards on the ring. Rings are my favorite jewelry pieces just because there's no recipe on how to style them. I'm constantly coming up with new pairings, and I just think the whole styling process is really fun because there's no right or wrong way to do it. Lastly, I got the Guarded Blue necklace stack, and this especially is giving me summer in Europe vibes. It's screaming Greece to me. I don't know why, but it's this stunning blue beaded necklace paired with this longer chain that has the same white stone on it as the ring. These are from the same collection, and when I saw both of them, I knew they had to be mine. They look so good together. You guys know blue has been my favorite color lately. I've actually never got a necklace stack from Ana Luisa before, but I highly recommend because it's already pre-styled. Also, just to note, they aren't attached, so if you do want to wear them separately, you can. So yeah, those are all the pieces that I picked out from Ana Luisa this month. Like I said, if you want to shop these, you could do so from the link down in the description box, and you can use my 10% off discount code TaylorK10. And now let's get into the video. Starting off with beauty and skincare, I just got 1 item, and it is a restock of my First Aid Beauty facial radiance pads. These help to exfoliate, tone, and brighten. It comes with 60, so it lasts about 2 months. So far, I'm really liking them. So like I said, these were just a restock. I use these as my toner every single night. Love them. I have a tech item that I picked up, which I don't think I've ever featured in any of my previous what I bought this month videos, but my AirPods decided to break on me around a month ago, so I had to get another pair. I had the first generation. I got them for Christmas, I think like 3 years ago, and I used them pretty much every day, so I did get a lot of wear out of them, and they were just getting old. So I decided to pick up the new AirPod Pros, I believe is what they're called. Honestly, don't know too much about them. It has the charger on the bottom, but also the AirPods charge in the case. This is my first time having noise canceling AirPods, and oh my god, they make such a difference, and I definitely cannot go back after these. I would highly recommend the noise canceling, especially at the gym. It is so nice. You like fall into your own world. One thing I noticed about my old AirPods that was super annoying is I would wear them on my walks, and if it was really windy out or if I'm walking on a main road with a lot of cars, I literally could not hear what I was listening to at all, even if it was on full blast. It may just be that my AirPods are broken, but I've noticed a huge difference in the sound quality. Like, I only have to wear these on like halfway and it's still pretty loud, and the noise canceling definitely makes a huge difference. So if you've been thinking about getting these, I highly recommend. I have a few home decor pieces. I decided to completely reorganize my closet like 3 to 4 weeks ago, and I had so much fun doing it. So from Walmart, I picked up 6 of these gray fabric bins that I store in my closet. I think 3 of them have shoes in them. This one has my gym equipment, and then the other 2 have like sweaters and sweatshorts. I haven't done a vlog in a while, but I think I want to do one soon, and I'm gonna show you guys everything that I've done in my closet because I'm really proud of it. I think these were like $10 to $15 each, which was kind of expensive because I bought 6 of them. They came out to like $100, I think. If I can link them down below, I will. I'm not sure if they'll be online, but I will look. I have a few other bins in my closet that were gray, so that's why I decided to stick with this. And the other closet accessory I got, I can't show you guys because it's in my closet, but I'll insert a clip to show you guys. I got a hanging closet organizer from IKEA. There were a few different options, and the one that I actually went to get was sold out in store, which was super annoying because I looked online before I went and it said in stock, but then as soon as I get there, they didn't have any, so I had to get a different one. But it actually ended up working out for the better because it fits perfectly in my closet. You guys will see in the inserted clip, the end of it sits perfectly on top of those wired racks that I have in my closet, and I think it was like $15, super affordable. I've ordered a few home accessories from Amazon before, and honestly they're just not good quality, so that's why I decided to make the trip out to IKEA, because I know IKEA is very reputable. I'll link the exact one that I got from IKEA down below. I forget the name of it, but it came in white and gray, and I just got the white. But yeah, I barely have anything hanging in my closet anymore, and pretty much everything is in a bin or in that hanging closet organizer, and it saves so much room and looks so much better. So I highly recommend you guys reorganize your closet, and if you want to see what I did in a vlog, let me know down below. All right, moving into clothing. I didn't get that much. You guys know I've been very on top of my purchases and I have not been buying a lot. One thing I did need this season were new bathing suits, so I decided to place an order on Dippin' Daisies. I've been gifted a few of their bathing suits, I think around a few months ago, and I really liked them. And for Memorial Day in the States, they had a buy one get one 50% off sale, so I decided to pick up a few sets. I'm not too sure what the names are of these, but I will have them linked down below. So firstly, I got this pastel yellow set. It's just this kind of sports bra style with adjustable straps. And one thing I find about Dippin' Daisies is their bathing suits run big. I'm normally a medium in tops, small in bottoms, and I got a small in tops, small in bottoms, but I definitely could have sized down to an extra small in the bottoms. So I would suggest sizing down a full size. Anyway, it's just this really cute kind of buttery popcorn color with the matching high-waisted tie bikini bottoms. The next set I think is my favorite one that I got. It's this really unique kind of waffle materialed one shoulder top that ties in the back. This I did get in a size small, and I will say this one runs true to size, so I could have definitely worked with a size medium in this. I just find I'm constantly having to pull it up on my boob because I am fuller chested. It still fits me though. It wasn't bad enough where I needed to exchange it, but that's the top, and then these are the matching high-waisted bottoms. I believe this also came in white and maybe one other color, but this set looks so good on. You guys will see in the try on. Next set that I got is this black one, and these are the same bottoms as the yellow ones I just showed, just like a very basic bottom that ties on both sides. Not too sure what the style of this top is, but it's pretty basic. It doesn't tie or anything, and then it has this really cool swirl detail in the middle, and then the straps tie on the top, which is really nice, so it's adjustable. The last two pieces aren't a set, but like I said, they previously gifted me some pieces and the tops in them were too big because I didn't know that they run large, so I just got replacements for those with the sale. So I just got this really adorable pink butterfly top. It's in the same style as the yellow one I just showed that has adjustable straps. And then I got this black bikini top that ties in the top here. It's kind of hard to show, but it's that really popular style that everyone was wearing in like terry cloth last year. I just have one top from Aritzia and is a repurchase because I wore this top to sushi and I ended up staining it with soy sauce, which is so on brand for me. I'm such a klutz. So I just picked up another one of the Sunday Best little rib t-shirts, size extra small. My ride or die top, such a good basic. You guys have definitely heard me talking about this before. Such good material. It is super comfortable and it's longer lined, which is really nice because I wear a lot of lower waisted stuff. I just have one activewear piece and it is the Honor Active Effortless shorts in the taupe color. They finally came back in stock and I decided to pick them up because I have the matching sports bra to this. Honor Active and Alphalete are my two favorite activewear brands. Highly recommend you check them out. You guys have seen me show the black and blue in my previous videos. They have a really nice thick band and the well-loved butt scrunch on the back. Lastly, I have a few pieces from Revolve that they actually gifted me because I'm now a brand ambassador for them, which is honestly so fun. So I got to pick out 4 pieces to share with you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen the first piece already. I don't think I posted a photo in it, but I did post some stories. I wore this top to Cabana Pool Bar in Toronto when I went to see Cascade with my best friend. It's this amazing cream knit button-up vest. It's from the brand House of Harlow at 1960 and I got this in a size small and it fits me perfectly. I wore this with a black bandeau top undone and it was such a look, such a good bathing suit cover up, but you could totally wear this out in everyday styling in the summer too. Super well made and I think you guys are going to really like this one. The next top that I got is from the brand All the Ways. I sized up to a small in this one because the description said that it runs small and I'm really happy that I did. The small fits perfectly. But it's this really cute cream knit colored sweater. I definitely couldn't get away wearing this outside right now just because it is really hot, but I think on a summer night this could definitely work, and moving forward into the colder months I will be wearing this. The next top that I got is from the same brand All the Ways in a size small, but it's this super lightweight gray v-neck t-shirt. I have so many basic high neck t-shirts like the Aritzia one I just showed you, so I'm trying to pick up more basics that have different necklines. That's why I love this one. And then lastly, I got a pair of denim, which I was so excited about, but unfortunately they do not fit me. But it is a pair of Girlfriend denim. They are low-rise shorts, which I was so excited about and I didn't know what size to get. I did so much research and a lot of people said that Girlfriend runs small, so to stay true to size. But for the look that I'm going for, I definitely could have sized up like at least 2 sizes because they're super form-fitting, but I wanted a very relaxed low-rise look. So I got my true size in these, which was a 25, and you guys will see in the try on, they're just like, they just don't look good on my body type, which is just super unfortunate, but it is my mistake. I've never had Girlfriend denim before, but just from feeling the fabric, it's really good quality. They had a ton of options on Revolve for denim, like Girlfriend especially. Okay guys, that is everything that I picked up in the month of June 2022. I will have all of these linked down below if you guys want to check them out along with my sizing, and don't forget to check out the Ana Luisa pieces from the link in the description box, and you can use my 10% off discount code TaylorK10. Feel free to leave any video suggestions down below, but I love you guys and I will see you very soon with a new video.